How did human tribes form in our evolutionary past? Imagine a time when humans were just beginning to walk upright and use simple tools. Now, think about how these early groups might have come together to survive. Human tribes didn't form overnight. They grew slowly over millions of years. Our ancestors needed to work together to find food, protect each other, and share knowledge. This teamwork was essential for survival in a world full of predators and changing climates. The story starts around 6 to 7 million years ago when humans and great apes shared a common ancestor. Over time, early humans developed bigger brains, started walking onto legs, and learned to make tools. These changes made social life more complex. By around 100,000 to 210,000 years ago, Homo sapiens appeared in Africa with the mental skills needed for organized group living. Early human groups were small, often made up of extended family members. These groups hunted animals, gathered plants, and shared what they found. They communicated using simple sounds and gestures, which later turned into language. Language helped them pass down important information about food sources, safety, and social rules. This sharing created bonds that kept the group united. Around 100,000 years ago, most humans lived in tribes of about 25 to 150 people. These tribes were held together by kinship and shared goals. They protected each other from threats and worked together to hunt large animals. Children learned from elders, and everyone helped with daily chores. The bonds were based on reciprocity, meaning if someone helped you, you helped them in return. Genetic studies show that humans also mixed with other ancient groups like Neanderthals and Denisovans. About 300,000 years ago, two populations that had been separated for over 1 million years came back together. When modern humans left Africa between 50,000 and 60,000 years ago, they interbred with these groups, creating tribes with mixed ancestry. Forming tribes was a turning point for humans. It allowed them to do things they couldn't do alone, like hunting big animals or defending their territory. Tribes also created shared beliefs, cultural practices, and social hierarchies that gave members a sense of identity. These early social structures laid the foundation for all human societies that followed. Understanding how tribes formed helps us see the importance of building social networks today. Just like our ancestors relied on strong bonds for survival, returning citizens benefit from reconnecting with family, community, and support systems. Building these connections provides safety, opportunities, and a sense of belonging. When someone reenters society after incarceration, they are rejoining the human tribe. Creating social networks, finding work, housing, and mental health support are all ways to strengthen community bonds. These connections are key to a successful transition, just as tribal bonds once helped our ancestors thrive.